Okay. Again, I'm going to the Word. Okay. And just showing the header and footer, taking a new document. Okay. Now, suppose I will take a 2 or 3 pages. See, 2 pages I'm taken. Okay. In the top, when I'm double clicking, automatically the header part will be open. Right? Header top and footer down. Okay. When I'm clicking over here, suppose Sky Vision College. Okay. And the down, I'm writing something. My roll number is 18. Okay. Now just check. I'm again clicking into the middle. Middle, you can write the all data information, right? Suppose, and even let me write also random. Okay. I forgot the is equal to. Random is equal to at least I want a 20 paragraph. Okay, enter. Now see the what is the top sky vision. When I'm going to the next page, sky vision. When I'm going to down also see 18. We do not need to write again and again our header and footer. You can paste your a logo also in the top, so it will be repeated to the every page. Like a footer part, you can add your no like where exactly your location, so there you can use this header and footer concept. Okay, now even guys, if suppose I have the suppose let me select that, erase everything. Let me even right now see I'm not double clicking, I'm just going to the insert and using header. See, when I'm clicking on header, there are a lot of different options also, which kind of header you want to add. But I'm also showing a manually how we can do manually. Double click in the top, automatically header and footer will be shown. Okay, now you can see over here, you can check the direct one also, they made it for you. See, templates already did it. Suppose I want to take a pages. See, pages I'm taking, clicking over here. See right now what pages. Okay, let me go to the middle. See how many page number one. When you're going to the second page, okay, let me do the enter button. Enter. How second. Okay, I'm going to the third. See, you can do that also. Okay, getting? Now again I'm going to the top, so you can add extra header also, they whatever they gave us. Okay, type here means what, they are creating 3 boxes and inside of you can write that anything. Okay, means predefined they are giving to you, but you can make the your one also. Okay, now going to the footer part. If you want a footer, okay, you can do the footer one also. Means whatever you apply to the top, you can put to the footer also. It depends what exactly you want to what and what is your purpose. Getting? After they also giving a page number. If suppose you want to page number into the top of page, you can see into the middle, into the over here, you can put like that. If suppose you want to page a number to the bottom, you can put the bottom also. Okay, and even if you want to increase decrease a margin, you can margin, you can use the margin also. Okay, means what, sometime you want to use a particular, you want to want a particular size, right? You want to start with the particular after the space, so you can that time can use the margin also. Okay, current position means what exactly, currently where you from start. Okay, now after that we have the textbooks. Sometime what happen guys, you are making something, a diagram and any kind of stuff using by the shapes. Okay, and you want to write anything inside, or you can say to left side right side. So that time what happened, when I'm starting to write, you can see I cannot able to move this word to anywhere, right? I don't have a kind of box I can move to the right left side, right? It's like directly page, I need to where I start, it will be start, right? So what if suppose I want to see the feature of that particular box. Okay, let me erase that. Okay, I'm going to the box. Okay, take any kind of box. Suppose this box I'm taking, this box I can move where exactly I want. Getting? It's not a I'm writing any page. Getting? It's I'm directly a taken one box and inside of I'm writing. So you can use this also. It's depend upon guys what assignment they gave to you and what you want to make. Getting? Now let me delete it. We have the different box also, going to the insert. Okay, you can see a different types of box. See, predefined box. Okay, Control Z means one step back. Now again going to the insert. Okay, we have the quick parts. Okay, a quick part is not that much of useful. Okay, after that there is an option work art means again word art we already over here learn, right? Same as like same functionality. You can go over here and you can directly write what exactly you want to means using this particular shapes and size, right? And the color also. So this is all about the font. We can take an extra font also. After that, over here option signature, very important. Like suppose you have your already created signature. You do not need to create again and again. You can put directly that. Okay, let me say I want to click over here in signature. Clicking on signature. Now what they are saying, suggest a signature. Like example, John Dew means a name, right? Suppose I am a professor, professor dot Rohit Kadam. Okay, this is my first name and the surname Kadam. Okay, after that, suggest a signatures or a signer. Okay, title means who I am. Okay, so I can write like that. I am writing first my name, and into the down, I can say I am a professor, right? After that, what they email address. Okay, my email address was Rohit at the rate Gmail gmail.com. Okay, I'll just say okay. See, signature is ready. Cross where exactly you can start your signature. If I want again time, I do not need to make. I'm just going to the click on signature. Okay, एक minute. It's not store. It should be. Okay, add a signature. If suppose I'm adding. No, no, no. Wait. I think so. I'm using free version. That's why it's showing me. Because when we are clicking a signature, we do not need to create an again and again. It will be automatically created. Okay. Now after even if suppose we want to add any date time, see date time. Okay. Format already ready. We need to just click over here and just see default. See date is ready. See whatever the timing is going on, it's presented over here. We do not need to see, okay, what is time? 0, 4, after that. We can directly take from over here. See, date and time. If suppose you want to take a date plus time at a one time, just say okay within second. Ready? Uh-huh. Objects. You can create the objects also. Objects means let me show. Let me delete it this. Okay. Now see guys, I'm creating one object. Okay, going over here, take a object. Okay, which kind of object you want to take? Suppose I want to take a create a file. No. Create a file, browser it. Which file you want to put? Suppose I want to check this car image. Okay, clicking over here and just say insert. Okay, now make as a icon. Okay, make like an icon anything, or you can link a file also. It's depend upon. Okay, suppose I'm making one file and clicking over here. Okay, this is my one type of file. Okay, you can see when I'm going over here and just when I clicking, see the image will be open. Getting? That's called object you are putting using by you can put any object and when you're double clicking that object will be open. Let me show again back. Suppose I'm taking this, let me delete it. Let me create again object. Going over here, I want to create object. You can take the text file also. Suppose I'm taking a text file. Okay. Let me check. I have any text file. Okay. I have the Rohit document, this one. Okay. Or maybe this one I last time created. Or maybe I have the another work files also. Worksheets also. So I'm just saying insert. Oh no, I don't want to insert. I want to say going over here, take an as an object in the Microsoft file. Okay, not a Microsoft file. I want to create a file from file. I want to display as like an icon. Okay, let me browse it. Where that file? This one suppose inserting. Okay, and just say okay. So right now what happened? One slider there. Okay, when I'm going over here and double clicking, see